everyone, I just came off making a video about iOS 26, and now I actually want to hit on iOS 18.6 and kind of talk about something that's very interesting here. iOS 18.6 right now is in beta 3, and I installed it on a lot of different iPhones, my iPhone 11s, 10Rs, all the way up to some iPhone 13s, and I think an iPhone 14 as well. And here's basically the gist of my whole entire experience. iOS 18.6 beta 3 right now is actually very, very good. It's a very decent version of software, and it's actually going to be giving you a really good experience all throughout, which is something that I actually love seeing. So if you are about to go through and you're about to upgrade your iPhone to a beta, I would not recommend doing iOS 26 beta, and I wouldn't probably recommend installing the beta of iOS 18.6 either. But I am very shocked by how good and decent of a job our current iOS 18.6 version is actually doing as of this point. So I feel like that in and of itself is actually a really nice thing to kind of experience here. And personally for me, when I'm looking at a particular device like this on iOS 18.6, it is giving me a very stable experience. So much so, in fact, that actually when I'm taking a look at iOS 18.6, right? Like if you take a look at an iPhone 10R on iOS 18.6, the oldest iPhone on iOS 18.6, I kind of feel like that's more stable than even like an iPhone 12 on iOS 26. So it is kind of an interesting thing that there is some flip-flopping going on here, but that is kind of what's going on here. So iOS 18.6, even though it doesn't have the most amount of features in the world, even though it may not be as stable, so on and so forth, you are getting a really good type of experience still inside of iOS 18.6. And I will still tell you, if you are about to go through and pick up a device, this is still a really decent option. And like I said before, for one, I am still a big fan of this type of device, or iOS 18.6, and staying on iOS 18.6 rather than going through and upgrading right now to like iOS 26 or something like that. So you're not missing out on much. iOS 18.6 luckily is becoming way more stable, and I'm very much looking forward to installing this on all my iPhones. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.